Today is the day that we are bringing back the 458, and I talked to Oscar this morning. I'm like, yo, what time should we be there today? Because we're not gonna drive this home because the paint is still so soft. We're gonna be trailering at home on like a flatbed trailer. He's like, it's gonna be here at 3 o'clock, be here at 1 o'clock, help put back the rest of the pieces of the car. I was like, cool, I'll help put some stuff back. We get here, and everything's already back on the car. They literally have all the pieces back on, and they're washing it, getting ready, because they're like, we don't want the gram photos to be dirty, so they're giving us a full wash right now. So Kyle and I came here ready and willing to start fitting some panels back, and there's nothing for us to do.
I say this every time. It's looking like a car again, Teach. I say it every time, but every time it looks like a car, it looks amazing.
So good.
Oh.
We still have so much to do. We still have so much to do.
Don't remind me, okay?
And we still have the whole entire Street Hunter kit to deal with, so.
Let's not talk about that.
The plan of attack that we need to do right now. We're gonna get this thing on the train.
How many more days?
I lost track. A little more than 20. 20.
We're going to Disneyland Friday, so this is monk ass.
I'm going golfing with McGuire's on Wednesday. It's a
Monka double S.
When the McGuire's boss wants to go to golf with you, you don't just say no. Really pushing the clock, as you guys know. SEMA's coming up very, very soon. So we're gonna get this thing on the trailer, help it get on the trailer, because I'm super scared to get this thing on the trailer. And then we are going to go ahead and start kind of laying out the roadmap. So after this video is really gonna be, we're gonna be trying to laying out, writing down every single thing we need to finish, because this thing needs to be 100. Are you playing in the puddles right now? We need to write down everything we need to accomplish, because this is getting, it's getting serious. It's getting serious right now. It's getting super serious. But I'm so excited, it looks so good. Got some extra drying pieces over her. Some extra drying time. I mean, we can't forget those mirrors, baby. There's only one of them. Where's the hardware for this? Oh, it's just
It's probably in a bag.
The dreaded part of finding all the hardware. But we labeled it.
No, it's in a bag. It's in a box, in a bag. Inside of a box. Inside of a
It's
bag.
in a box.
Inside of a bag.
In a bag, in a box.
In a box. Look at him! Look at him doing things with the wire. Oh, don't scratch your teeth.
I know. I'm trying to like not scratch anything. Yeah. I'm really scared to get this thing on a trailer.
Oh yeah.
I'm like ultra mega scared.
I mean, either that or you send it home.
Okay, we can't
without
drive
mirrors.
it. No, we definitely can't drive it home. Definitely not gonna happen.
Then how else? What do you propose, Teach? Whoa, look at that stance. Spread them. Spread them, Teach. Wow.
I'm trying to make sure I don't like ding it on anything. How to get a good stance. How to get a good stance.
It's more than a good stance, Teach. Oh, victory. Victory screech.
I forgot we disconnected it.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa, you jumped. Like you actually.
Yeah, because I'm touching a battery, which I'm not good with electricity.
Yeah, TJ's deadly afraid of shocks.
Yeah, and I can't see. I'm scared.
Start Reno, the car Reno.
Well, let's start. Me if the car is insured.
You're insured, right?
I'm insured, baby. We good. This is the scariest thing.
You got the full coverage?
Oh, I have a lot of coverage on this one.
You got the special GT3 wide body full coverage?
No, that I don't. That I don't.
Oh.
It's all right. I know a really good body shop that will hook me up.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Dude, seeing this car kind of like in pieces for the first time, it looks so massive. It looks so big. It looks so good.
It's like it got like a fake butt, and then the thighs don't match. You can tell right here.
Getting on this thing is gonna be scary. So we have the lift kit, and we're not lowered yet, so we should be good. But that's just a very intimidating drive. Oh man.
Right after the other one. Maybe like that one.
Boy.
Yeah, the middle one.
If you don't.
Okay.
That's a fucking mug ass.
Oh my god. I think we got it.
What do you mean? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Monka ass, bro.
I'm so scared. My balls like
Go ahead.
Teach, can I get a bruh on this clip? Okay, we solved this issue, but the rear still has to get off. What is, bruh? Now we have to get it off.
It's hard because you know the AVH system, which doesn't allow me to roll back, is disabled. Every time I jump from brake to gas, the car like has a second where it starts to roll back. So I'm like left foot braking and right foot on gas and like, you know what I mean? It's so scary, dude.
Tight boho, yeah.
Now.
Ah! Oh my. Ah! I don't know how we pulled that off. Something that I don't think I explained on camera is we didn't have the lift kit working on the car. So as we've kind of explained in the past, when you like have sensors disconnected and headlights disconnected and taillights disconnected, the car like has these fail safes where like it won't let you either go out of park, it won't let you drive. And for some reason right now, the car is saying lift kit inhibited, meaning we weren't able to lift the kit up. So had we have had that working, that probably would have been a lot easier, but because we didn't, we had to do some, as Calvin likes to say, monka-esque, some sketchy stuff to get that thing on the trailer. So we got it on, that's one thing. Now we gotta get it off. But we have all the boys at the shop, so we should be solid, but that was the most nerve-wracking 10 minutes of my life.
All right, the car is loaded up. Got all the spare pieces in the truck. Got more pieces in Calvin's car. You're looking at the MVPs right here. If you guys don't already know,
they've been uploading like behind the scenes videos to their YouTube channel, and you guys have been watching the hell out of them. Shout out to you guys for watching all the painting videos that they've been posting. A lot of stuff. I'll see you in a couple days because we have to get super stuff ready for SEMA.
I'm ready for it.
All right, brother. I want to quickly just say how thankful I am and how blessed I feel to have all of your guys' support, not only with the Street Hunter kit, but even with the GT3, which I feel like now, like the Street Hunter kit is like taking glory over the GT3, but now I can like finally talk about it, so it's like weird because it's been a secret for so long. But like the support from you guys has been so overwhelming, hit me in a way that it's never really like hit before. Literally have spent hours reading every single comment on Instagram, on Twitter, the YouTube videos. Everyone is just saying how proud they are of everyone here, from where we started to where we are today, and all the crap we've been through and the whole entire journey. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Thank you guys so much for all the positive words. It literally means so much. I don't even know if I could ever really put it into words. The encouragement and motivation you guys give me is literally 10 out of 10, and I'm so grateful for it. That being said, we have a lot of cars to finish. Let's get this 458 unloaded and kind of get our roadmap built out for this car.
woo! Come here, come here, come here. See it in the sunlight. Dang.
So much better in person.
Yeah,
it looks so different.
It's an in-person color for sure. So if you pull up right here,
that's Gumby Green. That's what I'm gonna
like
call
that?
it. That's cool. I like
good
it.
color, baby.
That is cool. It's got to be the only 458 in that color.
I mean, to my knowledge.
That's cool. Ooh, it looks sick in the sun.
Yeah, the sunlight.
Wow,
Look at that.
That's cool.
The sunlight. Oh, woo!
It's all on in one color too.
Yeah, we had to take the front bumper off, but wow. Even on camera, this color does not show very well. Looks really, 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 really good. Before we get it to SEMA, we're gonna have McGuire's come through and do a full cut and polish, because it needs it for sure.
I guess for now, I'll just put it over there. I saved you guys the misery of watching me go through every little thing, but here is the exact list of everything we need to do. And I know it looks scary, and I know it looks like a lot, but it's a lot of really small stuff. I'm gonna read over it just briefly, you guys will get the gist. Cover the wash tub, make mesh grills to the front and rear bumper, mount tri-tip exhaust, make wing brackets, wheel clearance, put back interior pieces, make room for the windshield wiper, cut and polish paint, attach front splitter, drill holes for license plate, rear fender hardware, mount rear diffuser, put back fender liner. That should be everything. The wheels and tires and all that stuff are being done at HRE and they're doing it for us, so we don't need to worry about that. So we have 20 something days to do that and we have another whole entire car to finish. But hey, I'm confident. I think we can do it. It sounds like a lot, but I'm actually surprisingly pretty confident. That's where I'm gonna end today's video. The 458 is back. I'm excited. A lot of you guys are starting to like the car a little bit more, which I knew would take a little bit of time, but I'm glad we did it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you in the next video. Peace out and keep moving forward.